Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie project. So in this video I will show you the employee management system using Python and Tkinter used for the user interface. So these are all options. Okay, so this is the add employee option. Enter the employee name with ID, employee rank and work at. So we have to enter all the detail and then click on the save button. So the data will store in the database, and if you click on the clear button then it will reset all the values. Let's click on the save button. Employee added successfully. Go to back menu, and these are the section which you can delete the entry, and you can make the duty roster. You have to enter the employee name with ID bsing 5402. Employee rank and work at will automatically fetch from that particular table. So then duty location, duty date, starting time, ending time, and then click on the save button. So it will make the duty roster. Go to back menu, and these are the print video option where you can select the month and year. So it will fetch detail and you can export into CSV file in any particular location. So just click on the save button. Okay, it will make the CSV file. Like let's open the CSV file. So it will store the complete data like serial number, name, rank, work at, work location, duty, ending time and starting time. So you can also add a employee. Now we'll make one more duty roster. Duty location, ABC, duty date, starting time. Let's change the date. Starting time, ending time, and then click on the save button. Okay, just go to back menu and print preview. You can export any detail. Okay, file saved successfully. Okay, it will store data in the Excel file. Just click on back menu. You can also delete the employee. Let's go to back to menu. Let's enter the employee detail, employee name with ID, employee rank and work at India, and then click on the save button. Employee added successfully. Make a duty roster again. Enter the employee name with ID, employee rank, work at, duty location, ABC, duty date, starting time. Let's change the date. Starting time, ending time, and click on the save button. So duty roster added successfully. You can print the preview from particular month. So this will be the complete project. If you are in doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.